Okay, welcome to tutorial number 2 in installing Windows Server 2008 using Oracle VMware. Okay, now I'm going to get right into it and show you how to download Oracle VMware. I already got a browser open. Okay, simply use the manufacturer's name, preferably first, like Suns, they are the manufacturer of this virtualization software. And then you can, okay, it's always good to look around and see. This, I would prefer this side. It has Oracle at the top here, and it gives a more professional look. Okay, if you're using Windows, Mac, whatever operating system, you click right there, and you should get your download. Free download. I implore you to go and try it and over. Okay, so we click new, and we just got the wizard here, and it will guide us through the installation of the software, setting us up. Okay, now this page basically says what software do you want to use and what operating system. So the operating system we're using today is Microsoft. It has all those like Linux, Solaris, Mac OS 10. The version, of course, we're going to be using Windows 2008. It has up to the recent Windows 7. Okay, and we give it a suitable name. We're going to name it Server 2008, and we next. Now, Server 2008 can only run on 512 RAM minimum. It's best that you have more than a gig RAM to run this for the best preferable running state. Okay, so we're gonna create a new hard disk. Next, dynamically expanding storage or fixed size storage. This basically tells us that whatever you do, if you have clicked dynamic expanding storage, that the more memory requirements you may need because you're expanding, you're doing a lot of work, that the system will grow with you. So you won't have no limits to what you do according to the size of your hard drive. Now if you have fixed size storage, you'll always be bound or constricted to how much you have allotted to let the system use for the installation and the running of the operating system. So for the purpose of today, I'm going to leave it at dynamic. Okay, 20 gigs of RAM. I'm going to use 30 gigs. Go next. Finish up. Okay, we're going to come to this page now, and because you can see it's powered off, let me enlarge this so you can see some other things. So you can see it has an audio, it has network, it has USB. Just basically look through it there and see the little stuff it has. Now you can click the start button so we can get going. Okay, now this screen basically says that when you click OK, you'll be confined within the operating system's virtual reality here, or for my lack of better words, that you won't be able to move the mouse outside, because remember, you'll be within an operating system. Okay, so we got another wizard here to guide us through. So you click next. Now this select installation media, this basically asks us where's the directory of the file, where's the file you want to install. Get the file, we need the file. Okay, I went overload there. Sorry, I'm just a little enthusiastic. I got the source of my file here. Remember, image, as we talked earlier, the image, that's where it will be. Okay, and you next, and be finishing up, and that's it there, starting virtual machine. It looks pretty cool, trust me. Okay, and as we can see here, Windows is loading files. I'd like to thank you for viewing this second tutorial of installing Windows Server 2008 on VM VirtualBox.